Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making a pineapple bowl. I'm stuffing my pineapple with honey garlic chicken and brown rice, and I was gonna stir fry some vegetables, but I forgot to pick up my vegetables at the grocery store, so it's just gonna be chicken and rice today. So I'm going to begin by cleaning up my chicken. I've already washed them, and I'm just going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. So after our chicken is cut up, I am going to be seasoning my chicken with onion powder, garlic powder, McCormick's garlic and herb seasoning, and you know I gotta have my Tony's. So after you get all that seasoning worked into your chicken, we're gonna take our bowl over to our pan and we're gonna start cooking this. You wanna make sure that your chicken is evenly spread out across your pan to make sure it's all getting cooked evenly. And feel free to grill your chicken instead of cooking it in a pan. I just chose to sear my chicken instead. So while our chicken is cooking, we are going to be cutting up our pineapple, getting it all prepped and ready. So you just want to cut the inside of the pineapple out so you can just leave like a bowl. And they make cutting pineapple look so easy, but I was struggling. So back to our chicken, I'm just gonna flip everything over so it can cook on the other side. Feel free to use a thermometer to check your internal temp of your chicken to make sure it's done. I slightly overcooked mine just to be on the safe side because I do not want any medium rare chicken, okay? So after your chicken is all cooked, you can place it in a separate bowl, and now we're going to start making our sauce. So if you plan on using vegetables, this will be the perfect time to stir fry them in some oil until they are tender. So as you just saw, I added some garlic. Now I'm adding some honey, butter, soy sauce, and sriracha, and also a little bit of lemon juice. As always, I would leave the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. So after your sauce is all mixed up, now you can throw in your chicken and let this simmer for a few minutes. So this part is self-explanatory. I'm just adding my brown cilantro rice. And I do have a video on how I do my brown rice, so go check it out. And then I'm just gonna add my chicken. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of sauce over my rice. So this is what my bowls are looking like. I should have added maybe like some green onions for a pop of color and to garnish it, but I didn't have any, but it's okay, it was still good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.